Light flooded into my room, piercing through my closed eyelids when a loud voice boomed.
Rise and shine!
My body jerked and my eyes snapped open. Oh my god! Carter? You have got to be kidding me. It's 6 a.m.
Nope! Up we get.
No! I'm staying here. What do you...
This could have gone a lot easier.
Put me down! Carter lowered me down to my feet and we stood in front of the bathroom in silence, before I hit him in the chest.
Ouch! What's that for?
For dragging me out of my warm and toasty bed. I was having a good dream, you know.
Aw, you're so cute when you're grumpy.
Well, this has been... I'm going to shower now.
Right. Just don't take too long, okay?
I rushed through my morning routine and was eating some toast when Carter appeared in the kitchen. He smirked at me cheekily.
Nice shower?
Before I could even reply, Carter's hand was on my waist, and I automatically leaned in, ready to kiss him. I then snapped back to reality and jolted backwards, colliding with the counter. What are you doing?
I was just... Forget it. We're running late, come on.
Frowning, I brushed past him and began walking towards the car. Awkwardness hung heavily between us, and I didn't dare say a word.
Sorry about this morning.
It's okay. You had to get here early. I would have done the same.
You mean pick me up over your shoulder and throw me into the bathroom?
Yeah. What else would I mean? Because you don't weigh a ton or anything?
Hey! This is pure muscle, baby.
Sure it is. Sure it is. His mouth fell open and I laughed before I froze, realizing how easy things were falling back with him. How easily I could forget that night when everything changed. All I knew was that I needed to get away from Carter fast before he roped me back into his arms.
I actually meant sorry about the thing in the kitchen.
What? Oh yeah, right. It's okay.
Good. We're going to be living with each other for a while. I don't want us hating each other every minute, or it's going to be a living nightmare.
His words hardly registered through my mind because I was just too busy staring at his face. I hadn't seen him actually smile without his trademark smirk, probably since the day of my 16th birthday, before everything went wrong.
What? Is there something on my face?
What? Oh, nothing. What were you saying?
Am I dazzling you with my good looks again?
My cheeks turned hot. Was I that obvious? A grin lit up his face at my lack of control on my emotions.
Always had that effect on you.
Do not! You are so narcissistic.
You're too funny, Lacey.
Yeah, should be a comedian. He grinned again, and silence lapsed again. I tightened my grip on the seat. I hate how nice this felt. Not yelling or fighting with each other. How good it was to just spend time with him. How much I really missed it. Thank God. School loomed ahead of us. Anything to get away from Carter would be a blessing. He was having strange effects on me, and if I stayed any longer, this hate act was going to become tough.
Whoa, slow down there, hot stuff. What's up with you?
Nothing!
Okay, well, I have to go. Meet you here after school?
Sure, yeah. The further I walked from him, the clearer my mind got. I breathed a sigh of relief. Why did my body go so strange being with him?
Hello, beautiful.
Hey! Aiden! You surprised me!
You look beautiful today. Sorry, I didn't mean to go too far or anything.
You didn't. It's okay.
Well, since you ditched me the other night about the movies, we should go see one tonight?
Ditched him? When did I... Oh no! I totally forgot about our date when I moved into Carter's. And I still haven't told Aiden about my new sleeping arrangements. I was a horrible girlfriend. Yeah, that sounds good.
Okay, I'll pick you up at 7?
No! Haha, I mean, I'll meet you there.
Okay.
To distract him from asking further questions, I stood on my tiptoes and pecked his lips. Before I could move away, his hands wrapped around the back of my head, holding there. I let him kiss me for a few moments before I successfully pulled away. I wish I could just get over Carter.
What was that for?
I don't know. Want to go get some food?
You know me. I always want food.
As soon as I saw Aiden standing in the cinema lobby, the guilt started to build in the pit of my stomach, making my skin itch. I needed to tell Aiden about my living arrangements soon.
What the heck? You walked here? I offered to pick you up.
Yes? I felt I needed the exercise.
Lacey, you exercise like an athlete and are skinnier than a twig. Why are you lying to me?
I'm not!
Lacey,
We're going to be late for the movie. Come on. I grabbed him and headed inside. After a few moments into the movie, I felt Aiden's hand slip into my thigh. I shifted slightly, moving as far away from him as I could. My foot was tapping restlessly and I was looking anywhere but at the screen, just wanting to leave. Finally, in what felt like forever, the credits began rolling across the screen and I was out of my seat as if it was on fire. I kept going until Aiden grabbed my hand, hauling me back.
what is wrong with you lately?
Nothing. I'm just tired. I'll just walk home. See you tomorrow.
Are you crazy? You'll freeze. Come on. I'll drive you home.
Okay, thanks. I don't know what was wrong with me, but for some reason, I was feeling guilty. As if I was cheating on Carter. I felt like Aiden was just an excuse to distract me from my true feelings.
Is it me?
No.
So it's you?
I guess so.
You're confusing me.
Like I said, I'm just tired. See you tomorrow.
Wait. Goodbye kiss?
I kissed Aiden quickly before scrambling out of the car. Aiden did a U-turn and exited my street, while I roughly ran my hands over my face as I walked with dread towards Carter's house. My body slipped inside the door and crept up the stairs as quietly as I could. I tiptoed through the hall, hardly breathing. I silently went to my room and my heart leapt inside my chest as I jumped about 2 feet in the air. My TV was playing, and Carter was sprawled out, dead asleep, on my bed. I just watched him for a moment, mentally debating if I should wake him up or not. Quietly, I walked over, switched the TV off, and changed into my pajamas before doing the worst possible thing. I crawled into bed beside him. I wish I could say I felt guilty for what I was doing, but being back in Carter's embrace felt amazing. His arms securely draped around my waist, with his face nuzzled into the crook of my neck. I really had missed this. Just being with him. I know how stupid it was of me to have done this, but Carter has always been and would always be my weakness. I moved slightly when Carter whispered,
Stay with me, Lacey. I missed you so much.
My heart swelled at his words, and soon enough, I found myself drifting off to sleep, still deeply wrapped up in Carter.